welcome to another video, and today's special because it's the new year. I want to wish you a happy new year, a happy and healthy new year. 2020 was a year that we will never forget. What a year it was, like no other. But with 2020, with all the challenges comes a lot of lessons and realizations. So I'm sharing some of the lessons and realizations on this video. I hope you'll like it, and it will give you some inspiration and some hope and faith to go further, to do better in 2021. And 2021 will be a better year for all of us. Number one is for wearing a mask. It's a reminder that there is a beautiful person behind the mask who is also trying to deal with the challenges. He has his own story to tell. There is a story behind every person. There's a reason why they are what they are. Everyone is fighting their own battle you know nothing about. So choose kindness and love always. Number two are the lines in the grocery stores. It teaches us on patience and hope that it might be moving slowly for now, but you will get there. There's the light at the end of the tunnel, reminding us that it's not the destination, but the journey. Number three is social distancing. It's a must to protect ourselves and to decrease the risk of contacting or spreading the virus. This reminds us that some distancing in life is a good thing. Love is space and time measured by the heart. Besides, it's the connection that really matters in the end. Number four is the elbow bump or greeting. It might not be the tight hug you are looking for, but the elbow is part of our body. Same blood flows through our veins, through your heart. It's the joy of seeing that person, knowing he is fine. At the end of the day, it's the intent of your action that really matters. Number five is eating out. Less time eating out resulted to more time cooking at home, experimenting new recipes, spending meals together at the garden, the patio, the deck, and having meaningful conversations. More importantly, with hard times, we're saving some money that we can use for other things, especially to help and serve others. All good. Number six are vacations and day trips. Realizing that your home is the best place in the entire universe. There's really no place like home, where all the memories happen, every corner of your home, full of where the story begins. Home is wherever you leave everything you love and never question that it will be there when you return. Home isn't a place, it's a feeling. Number seven is the virtual mass and spiritual gatherings. Shows our solidarity with people around the world in expressing and professing our faith, that we continue to believe in the power of prayers, in hope and faith, and for the one above us, the Alpha, the Omega, the King of Kings, knowing that His kingdom will come, that Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Number eight is the virtual celebration of holidays and special occasions, reminding us that it's not how grand the celebration or place or the venue. It's more in knowing that there are people who care and love you. No matter what, they will be there for you. It's also a time to reflect and promise yourself to go where you are loved and appreciated. It's time not to settle for less. Invest in people who invest in you. Number nine is the whole COVID political and social crisis. Transform us into a new breed of humans, one who will question if we see something's wrong, who is more vocal to express our thoughts, our disappointments, and of what we believe, tired of being bullied
and taken advantage. More than ever, we realize the importance and the power of voting. That change starts with us. As Gandhi said, be the change you want to see in the world. Number 10 is the quarantine and spending a lot of time alone. It forced me to ask a lot of questions. Is what I'm concerned about really of importance? What truly made me joyful and fulfilled and at peace? What made me feel that I wasn't living in line with my authentic self? What do I want to change? What does my ideal life look like in 2021 and beyond? How can I contribute to the world to make it a better place? The alone time allows me to appreciate the little things more. The flowers, my garden, the new recipes, reconnecting with old friends and family, the silence and the fresh air, knowing that God is the God who follows. I know He follows me around. We often miss Him, but He comes through the kindness of a stranger, the loyalty of a friend, the majesty of a sunset, the beauty of a full moon, through a word well spoken, through an inspirational quote or scripture verse, or through a sweet hello or greeting well timed, or to a silent pat on your back. Oh, so many things. Have you sensed His presence? Allow Him to follow you by sensing His presence in even the small things. 2020 was a year like no other. It was indeed challenging, but I chose to be optimistic and been doing a lot of spiritual enhancement initiatives, been cooking and writing a lot, launched my YouTube channel last July and able to put out 55 videos and almost 20,000 views. I still can't believe it. There were hidden opportunities out there. What did you find? It's choosing to be an optimist and realizing that the pessimists always get left behind.
Thank you guys for watching my video, and I wish you happy new year and all the blessings, and may all your dreams and goals will come true. I love you guys. Thank you for the support and subscribing, and be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Bye-bye. Take care and stay safe.